Maintenance today is no longer just about fixing assets. It's about uptime, safety, compliance, and business continuity. As organizations adopt Oracle Cloud Maintenance, expectations shift toward faster execution, stronger compliance, real-time visibility, and continuous audit readiness. Yet, on the ground, execution often remains manual, fragmented, and reactive, driven by paper checklists, disconnected inspections, and delayed reporting. Digitization and compliance are no longer just regulatory requirements. They've become a true operational advantage, enabling faster decisions, safer execution, and stronger audit confidence. Forward-looking organizations now treat execution data as a strategic asset because the moment work happens is the moment performance is defined. These themes are shaping how modern enterprises approach maintenance and will be explored further in an upcoming OATUG-hosted discussion.